Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Riti Sushil and today I'm going to beautifully explain quantum mechanics. Yes, quantum. So have you ever heard about time dilation? No, if you have not, then I'm going to beautifully describe it for you. Okay, so first let me explain you what is time. We all know what is time, but let me explain it. Time. We all predict time by the movement of the object. Yes, by the movement of the object. We often look at our clock and say that yes, this much time has been passed. Or in the olden time when clock was not invented, people looked at the sun and by the movement of the sun people said that yes, it's the evening time. So in the perspective of human, we define time as the movement of the object, and this movement is called time. Okay, so now you all know what is time. Now, what is dilation? Dilation means simply expansion. So, together it is called expansion of time. This expansion of time or time dilation was a concept which was given by Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity, which stated that time is relative to objects' speed and gravitational field. But I will not just bookishly tell you like that. I am going to explain you how it is related to human or objects' speed and gravitational field. Okay, now let me explain you how time dilation affects aging. Everything in this universe, either you, me, or the earth itself, is in motion. Okay, now leave this universe, come to your house. You see a housefly in your house. You see most of the time this housefly is in motion and rarely you find it sitting. So as it is always in motion, the speed of the housefly will be more than the speed of the human, that is us. So according to Einstein theory of relativity, the time experienced by the object in motion will be much slower than the object at rest. Okay, so now this is the reason why the housefly have a very short span of life. Why? Because 1 hour spent by us will be equivalent to 1 year for that housefly. Because as the speed of the housefly is much more than speed of the human, so time passes for that housefly will be much slower. And in that 1 hour, she spent a very big part of her life. Similar concept work with tortoise. You see tortoise most of the time it is in rest. Okay, now the speed of this tortoise is much less than the speed of humans. Therefore, the time experienced by this tortoise will be much fast, and therefore the lifespan of this tortoise is 200 to 300 years. So, the lifespan of every particle in this universe depends internal movement, neurological movement of that particle. Okay, so I hope that you understood how time dilation affects aging. Means that if the object is in motion, then it experiences time very slowly, and when it is at rest it experiences time very fast. Okay, now let me bind up with the last example of space and earth, a very beautiful example. Okay, now man is moving in a spacecraft in the space with the clock in the spacecraft, and when that clock in the spacecraft is compared to the clock at the earth, you know what's the difference of time? You'll be surprised. Yes, the time spent by the man in the space is just 1.5 years, and when it is compared to the clock on the earth, it is equivalent to 100 years. Yes, 100 years. Now after 1.5 year, when that man will return his home to the people whom he said bye, now it will turn into a goodbye, because that people will be no more on this earth, because it has passed 100 years and four generation of this family will be going on. So this is the beauty of quantum and the beauty of time dilation. Actually, I love studying quantum and I find it very interesting. If you also, then please like, share, subscribe for more such content. Thank you so much.